The maintenance and recycling of cutting fluid can reduce the cost of enterprises. How to maintain and recycle cutting fluid? 1. Regularly check the concentration of cutting fluid. The concentration of cutting fluid must be controlled within an appropriate range. Too low or too high will have adverse effects on the machining process and tool life. Therefore, it is necessary to measure regularly using a concentration meter and adjust the concentration as necessary. 2. Add new fluid in time. During the use of cutting fluid, the ingredients in it will continue to be consumed, so new fluid needs to be added in time to maintain the concentration and performance of the cutting fluid. 3. Replace the cutting fluid regularly. The cutting fluid will gradually deteriorate during use, such as foaming, odor, and darker color. At this time, the cutting fluid needs to be replaced immediately. It is generally recommended to replace the cutting fluid every 6 months. 4. Clean the cutting fluid tank and filter regularly. After being used for a period of time, the cutting fluid tank and filter will accumulate some metal debris, oil, and other impurities. These impurities will affect the performance and the circulation flow of the cutting fluid. Therefore, the cutting fluid tank and filter needs to be cleaned regularly to keep them clean and smooth.